to make some adjustments to our mission01.crw. And here we can choose auto, and that will, make a really nice change. This is based on Adobe software and Sensei technology. I don't know what that means. I just think of the Karate Kid. I think it's algorithms, but here is what it looks like when you press auto. You could choose black and white, but then it's going to get messed up, so just stay with auto. And then we want to reset, and we want to toggle to the default setting, and that's just the regular setting that before we changed anything. And we want to put in several options. We want to change into basics, and let's go through this. So we're going to do exposure of 0.5. Contrast we're going to leave at 0. The highlight is a -20. Let's see. The shadows are +70. Our whites are +20. Our blacks are -10. Oops, I want a -10, not a +10. And our clarity is a +20. And our vibrance is also a +20. You don't have to do the plus sign, it'll just automatically do it by itself, but you do have to put the negative sign. And this is what it looks like when we have our settings. Go ahead and input your settings now.